And here we are again. So this is a fun lab also. Alka-Seltzer is pretty entertaining. I hope you enjoyed the commercial. Effervescent tablets is what the generic version is at Walmart. And so these tablets contain, as we already discussed, they contain aspirin, which is probably the main ingredient that helps, baking soda, of all things, sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate, and then citric acid. And citric acid is an acid, and when acids and bases get together, you know that they neutralize each other. Baking soda and vinegar you might have done as a volcano experiment in middle school or elementary school. Same kind of thing is going to happen, but all the ingredients right now are dry, so we have to get them wet for the reaction to take place. We have to dissociate the ions and get them free to interact with each other. So the purposes of this lab we've already gone over. I just want to show you the basic procedure. I have a beaker with some tap water in it, a watch glass, and my effervescent tablet. And so I'm going to put those on the balance and get the mass. 185.24. And we know that in each of these tablets, there is exactly 1 gram of citric acid, and there is 1.916 grams of baking soda. And so when they react together, they create bubbles. And so the main reason for the watch glass is to keep any of the misting, the bubbles that are forming, from escaping out of the beaker completely. And also, I don't know if you saw, but it kind of plunked into the water. You can kind of see that there's stuff on the top, or not on the top, underneath the watch glass right now. And so we're going to let this sit and react completely and come back to it and get the mass.